Religious and charitable endowments are properties that are given to support religious institutions, temples, or to perform public charities. These endowments can also be used for the benefit of the public, such as in the fields of education, health, and social welfare. Here are some details about religious and charitable endowments. 1. Hindu law. Under Hindu law, religious and charitable endowments can include property given to temples, maths, or other religious institutions. They can also include acts of benevolence, such as establishing hospitals, educational institutions, or performing shraddha. 2. Valid endowments. For an endowment to be valid, the dedication must be specific and complete, the object must be definite, and the person making the endowment must be able to do so. And 3. Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowment Act. This act provides for the protection, preservation, and development of temples. It also includes provisions for preparing registers for each institution, inspecting the accounts, property, and documents of institutions, protecting temple property from being alienated, sanctioning the sale, mortgage, exchange, and lease of temple properties, appropriating surplus funds. To be considered valid under Hindu law, a religious or charitable endowment must meet the following requirements. 1. Purpose. The purpose of the endowment must be clearly defined and certain. It must be religious or charitable, or both. 2. Dedication. The dedication must be complete and absolute. The property must be specified or ascertainable. 3. Capacity. The person making the endowment, known as the settlor, must be of sound mind and not a minor. And 4. Lawfulness. The endowment must not violate any law of the country. Some examples of religious and charitable acts include 1. Establishing a dharmashala, mutt, or monastery. 2. Performing shraddha. 3. Excavating wells or tanks. 4. Establishing a hospital or educational institution. 5. Feeding the poor and Brahmans. And 6. Performing religious ceremonies like Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, or Shraddha.